Today we're going to talk about Seesaw critiques. When you open up the app, you will get the following screen. You need to select I'm a student, and then it'll ask you to sign in. So once again, you open the app using your phone, your iPad, or your web browser. You select I'm a student, and then you will scan the code that I will provide for you. For activities, it's a little light bulb on the right. You will read the critique. So for the critique, you will upload a picture of your finished artwork. You will use the recording option to answer the following questions: materials that you used, your struggles, your process, and what the idea was. When you're done, you're going to go through everyone's work. You'll leave a comment, a question, or a suggestion. You need to comment on everyone's work. Remember that this is a virtual critique. So by the end of the day or by the end of the due date that I give you, you need to have your piece and explanation uploaded, and you need to have comments on everyone's work. This is how the critiques will work, and I will be texting you guys the dates. So to answer, you want to select add response, click your name, and then upload photo. So for the purpose of this video, we're just going to pretend that a picture of my dog is a wonderful piece of work. You will upload, you will select the microphone on the left-hand side, and then using the recording option, you're going to answer the questions that I gave you. You see at the top it says view instructions in case you forget the questions. Click I am done, and then click the green check mark once you are completed. And then it should automatically upload to your name. And it'll look something like this under journal. At the top it should say in response to critique 1. So let's go back. You can also click at the bottom where it says responses, and you'll be able to see your classmates' names and their artwork. So you can go back and click, press play, and listen. So let's pretend I'm student number 2. I'm going to upload another artwork. So another photo, upload, record your answers to the questions, submit. So click done, green check mark, and then it'll upload. So now when we go to the journal view, you'll be able to see everybody's responses. You can also go back to activities, click responses, and you'll be able to see the names and the artwork. So you can click on the picture, press play, and listen to the answers to the questions. So this is what we will be doing for the critiques. You will press play, you can like the photo, and then you're leaving a comment, a suggestion, or a question. Now, if you're saying that you like the picture, tell us why you like the picture. You like the texture, you like the colors, you like the composition. We need to elaborate on our critiques. So you will go through everyone's work, you will listen to their explanations, and then you will give feedback in the form of a comment. You will repeat this process until you've commented on all of your classmates' work, and then they will do the same for your artwork. So this will be what the critique will be like. I will give you the due date, you will upload everything, and then you will give feedback to each other. So once again, you can click responses to see everybody's artwork and to comment and leave the feedback, or you can go back to the main menu, click journal, and scroll through the feed and like and comment as you go. Just make sure it is the correct critique that we're responding to. So your critiques will be in 2 parts. Part 1 is your artwork and its explanation, and part 2 is the participation and interaction during our critiques. Okay, so this is what the app looks like on your phone. You have activities at the bottom. You can see your activities for the day. Click add to respond to the activity, just like you would on the desktop or on your iPad. You can read the instructions, select your name from the list of student names, click photo, and you can take a picture of your artwork to upload in response for the activity for the critique. Or if you already have your photos saved on your phone, you can simply go back, click upload, and select photos and upload that way. Once everybody responds, you can scroll through the journal and you're able to see everybody's activities as well. So this is just an example from last year. And once again, the logging in instructions are as followed. You need to download the Seesaw class app onto your phone, your iPad, or type it on your web browser on your laptop. You will open the app, you will select I'm a student, and you will scan or type the code that I will provide for you. Once you're logged in, you should be able to get to the activities, to respond to the critiques, and to leave feedback on your classmates' work. I will be posting all dates on Google Classroom, and I will send them to you on Remind.